Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mom and Geetu. In this video we are going to see how to make a simple Teachers Day card for kids. This is a detailed instruction video for this card. If you are looking for a shorter version of this, you can find the link in the description of this video. This would be a complete detailed video. So for this, first we would need one color paper. You can use a color paper or a white paper. And I'm using a green color paper and marking it as 27 centimeters, and then I'm making it into three parts, 9, 18 and 27. So we are going to fold the paper into three equal parts. So that is the reason we can take any multiple of 3. And for the height of the card, I'm taking around 16 centimeters, 14, 15, 16. You can take anything based on your paper length. I'm going to cut this 27 by 16 now. The paper that I'm going to use for making the card will be 27 centimeters by 16. So I'm cutting it. I'm just marking it first. Next we are going to cut this. Going forward, I'll show you how we should fold it. So at this point, this is the 9 centimeters line. To make sure your fold is equal, mark 9 centimeters on both sides of the paper and then join them so that the line is straight. Similarly at 18 centimeters, and then we are going to fold it. Small kids can use the help of a scale to get a perfect fold. Fold it on both the sides, one at 18, create a nice fold, and then another fold at 9 centimeters. Like this. So this will be our card. Now both of these sides, again we are going to fold them into half. So I am just marking 4.5 and I am following the same process, marking on both sides so that the fold is straight. And now I am going to fold it outwards. If you carefully watch it, put your scale and fold it outwards. We have to repeat the process for both the left and right portions of the paper. So this is for the right side of my paper, and then this is the left sleeve. Next we are going to do the same process. Fold it exactly into half in the outward direction. Now I'm using the scale and again folding it outside. So now this is how your card should look. And when you hold the sleeves and open, it should open up like this. Now next step, let us go ahead and start decorating it. Next, I am taking the center point of this card and I am just marking 1 or 2 centimeters. You can mark a band. So here I am marking the center 2 centimeters. This is to make the design. Same thing I am doing on the other side. 2 centimeters from the center of the paper, and then I am going to draw a band here, a rectangle like this. This would be the center of your paper, and in the middle I am going to draw something like an open book. because a book is symbolic to teacher. If you're making this format of a card for anything else like a birthday or any other occasion, you can make, instead of a book, a cake, a greeting card, a flower, or anything like this. As this is for Teacher's Day, I'm making an open book. So I'm drawing a simple version of a book here. Now the book is ready. We are going to erase the lines inside the book, the center band that we have drawn. Now this is how it should look. The band on both sides of the book and an open book. Next, we are going to decorate the card with some flowers. So for this, you can do it in 2-3 ways. You can directly draw some flowers on the bottom and then go ahead and color it, or you can use color papers, cut flowers and then paste them. First I'm trying to draw, so you can use it in whichever way is comfortable for you. If you have color papers, you can go ahead, cut with color papers and paste them, or you can simply draw flowers with pencil like this and color them. I have cut using different color papers. I'm going to paste them here. I'm going to erase the pencil marks, and then I'm going to decorate these paper flowers and I'm going to paste them here. I'm just decorating them using sketch pens. If you have stones, glitter, you can go ahead and use all your imagination to decorate it. So I'm just using sketch pens to give some border and a design at the center. Next, I am going to outline the band which we have drawn on either side of the book. Now this part is also done. Next, we are going to write some inspiring words and some words about the teacher. So I'm taking different color papers of size slightly less than the width of this each fold. So I'm just cutting it a little bit thin so that I can write a word on that. You can either cut color papers like this, write the words on that and paste it, or you can directly write on the paper. If you don't have the color papers, you can directly write it on the card. I'm planning to write 4 words, so I'm taking 4 different colors. So I have cut 4 strips of paper. You can arrange them in any place as you like on the card. So I will show you one way. First I'm going to write 4 different words for teacher on them. You can choose the words of your choice. I'm just going to write simple word and I'm going to give a border for each of these strips. So I'm writing inspire, guide, encourage, educate. Now I'm going to give borders for all of these tiny strips of paper just to add more beauty. If you're writing directly on the card also, you can draw boxes like this with a color sketch pen, and then inside that you can write the word you want to do. So now all 4 strips of paper are ready. These are my 4 words which we are going to place on the greeting card. So we can place it in different ways. So 2 words on left side and 2 words on the right side, or all the 4 words on the left side, and then on the right side we can write a message for the teacher. So you can place it like this. I am going to place it all the 4 on the left side in this fashion. Slightly front and backward so that it just looks beautiful. So this is how I'm going to place my words. So just to add a little bit more design, I just want to draw a line on the left side, and then I'm going to paste these strips of paper. This is optional. If you want to add more design, then you can go ahead with it, otherwise you can ignore this step. So I'm just drawing one line. Like this, I am making a small double line. Now we are going to stick these tiny bits of paper. You can either use a glue stick or you can use the double side tape like this. So this gives a slightly embossed effect. If you use a normal glue stick, you will be completely sticking the paper on that. With a double-sided tape, you get a slight embossed effect, and that pops up the strip of paper. So I'm just using this, but yeah, this is completely optional too. You can use whatever is available. So I'm sticking all the 4 pieces of paper on the left side. So we are done, and next I'm going to write a thank you message on the band. So I'm going to write thank you, thank on one side and you on the other side. Inside the book, you can write the message you want to convey for your teacher or for whatever occasion you're making the card. So because this is for Teachers Day, I'm going to write something relevant for teachers and the decoration which we did, that is the flowers. So I'm planning to write you help us bloom. So that's what I'm writing inside the book, you help us bloom. And then a couple of dots just to give the feel of a book. That's it. We are done. Now for the flowers we can add some stems and leaves. So I'm taking a green color marker and I'm just adding a simple stem and a leaf for all of my flowers. We are done, and now here I'm going to write Happy Teachers Day. Inside the card you can directly write your matter here, or you can take another color paper slightly smaller than the size of the inside partition. So I'm just taking another color paper. You can directly write it there also. So I'm making it slightly smaller than the green part so that all around it you can see the green part visible. I'm sticking this paper here, and inside this you can write the matter that you want to write for your teacher. And now our card is ready. If you made this card for your teachers or anybody else, don't forget to tag us on Instagram on both our pages, Mom and Geetu and Jaitra Studio. On Jaitra Studio page you will find a lot of other paintings and crafts, so don't forget to follow us. As I have mentioned, this is a detailed video done for a corporate session, so if you're looking for a shorter version you can look at the link provided in the description. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye.